The Technology and Innovation Foundation are the key to the organization's growth in every industry, such as automotive, machinery and robotic, consumer product and electronics, education, military, medical, agricultural. For this reason, AppliCAD is ready to support the adoption of cutting-edge technology, professional team in terms of service, training, and consulting, and to be ready for the change and the opportunities that come promptly. Moreover, it also helps to create their own innovations, improve the quality of life, and drive the country to be equal to other civilized countries. The technologies from AppliCAD can solve every problem in the manufacturing process, such as product design process, product development and testing, production, management, as well as extending to innovations in the future manufacturing, such as cloud platform, smart factory, digital twin, 3D printer for mass production. All of this is the goal of AppliCAD, as we want to be where innovation begins and be ready to steadily and sustainably move forward with you.